And last doubt, Hamid, ma'am, sir, you both from IIT? No, no, no. We no, we don't know. No, we are not from IIT. And even also for Rudra, also there is very good. His marks are so good, and he is really a good student. But I am not a good student, really. His 10th and his 12th is very good marks. He's a very good student, above 80%. He got above 80% in 10th and in 12th also. And he's from Jadavpur University. You know all the JU. Jadavpur University is a good university, you know. His graduation, his master degree, everything from Jadavpur University. But I am very average student. I am not very average student. I am no, no. I am
This is
very
called
average student. Really, really. So
marginal marks.
I want to tell my marks. I want to tell my marks. Just you have to know my marks about in my
Just
Madhyamik, in my 10th standard, my marks is 72%. And in my HS, that is very bad marks. I did not get first division also. My marks was only 50%. And in my graduation, that is BSc honors in computer science, actually I am the first batch from my village. I am a native place. I am from a native place, and there computer science first batch. I was the computer science first batch. There was no teacher, there was nothing. It was a challenging for me that I have to clear my honors. Okay, somehow my honors was there, and it was only 48% computer science honors. That's why I am now teaching through YouTube. I am trying to give something through YouTube because I faced the problem. There was no teacher to teach me about computer science. In my when I got the admission in my college, then there was no teacher. Really, there was no teacher, and I go to from my home. I went in my Saturdays. Every Saturday, I was going to somehow some places from our place. It is two 20 kilometer 220 kilometer from our place, and it is taking 3 hours journey. I go there for 3 hours journey. That place is named Malda. Malda, the place is, and I am from Balurghat. So from every Saturday I was going there. Saturday night I was staying in my sir home. What's her name? I was always telling, and that's why I never मैं कभी भी और किसी को मेरे गुरु की जगह नहीं दे सकती. He is my only one guru. His name is Shomin Nondi, and he is my only one guru. So from that day I was staying to his home only. तो उसके घर पे रह के ही मैं सैटरडे पूरा रात भर मतलब स्टार्ट होता था कॉलेज से आने के बाद 6-7 PM से ऐसे भी होता था. सर is teaching me till 8 PM, 9 PM, 10 PM also. So till 10 PM I was learning from him. Then I was sleeping. Then again wake up from morning, and 6 PM. From 6 AM he was started teaching, and from 6 to 8:30 he is teaching. Not 8:30, 10 till 10 AM he is teaching. Then I came back. Then again 3 hours journey. I came back. I go to my tuition, that is math tuition. So math tuition करके Sunday. Then I came back to my home at Sunday night 9 PM around. So that was my BSc journey, and finally I got only 48% in BSc. So after that MCA. So after that in MCA I got good results, because in MCA I got a good college and everything. I was in Kolkata. So there in that college there was so many faculty, and there was no problem. So then I got 8.1, 8.46 like that percentage, I think, in my MCA. So I was really average student. Really, I was not a good student. I was not from IIT, not from any good university, not from any good colleges. I am average student. So average student also can do something, I think. So don't
Actually,
think.
your marks your all the places your marks doesn't matter. Your experience, your attitude, and your actual knowledge, it's come to play. Everywhere marks don't play, because if when you are in industry, then also the same thing. Every time marks will not play.
If you have knowledge, then marks is not a issue. Really, if you have the knowledge, then somehow, because some percentage is required, some you have to clear some exam, but after that, only knowledge. Exam is required. Clearing exam, definitely. If you did not clear the net, then it is not. Nobody will give you the chance. But if you have knowledge, then you can do anything. Don't think that कि आईआईटी का टैग चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है, आईआईटी का टैग ही चाहिए. ठीक है हमीद, आपका.
जो लोग IIT का टैग मांगता है, they will never get a IIT people, because the people who are in IIT, they will not come to come for offline interview, off campus interview. So they are, most of the people are hired into the on campus, and another people go for the MS. So जो people मांगता है कि if we need IITian, I think better not to go there. Because
रियली मैम,
यस टेल मी.
अरे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब ये है
क्या बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है, बताओ.
जो आपने बताया कि इतने इतने लो परसेंटेज, वैसे
Really?
मेरा आपसे वो
Really?
है, लेकिन
it is
फिलहाल
true. It is true.
It is true. Really, my percentage is this. It is true.
वन थिंग नहीं समझ में आती. मैं देख रहा हूँ नेट में जितने भी हैं उसमें 70-80% फीमेल्स हैं.
हाँ.
और मैम सब के सब फैमिली है सबकी.
हाँ.
लेकिन फिर भी देखो सब कंटिन्यू कर रही हैं.
क्यों कर रहे हैं
तो
पता
मतलब-
है? क्यों कर रहे हैं पता है? और क्यों नेट पे आ रहे हैं पता है?
नहीं समझ में
इसके लिए
वही नहीं
रीजन
समझ
क्या
में आ
है?
रहा है.
इसके लिए रीजन क्या है? क्योंकि there is only one exam after the 30 years also they can give. Only one exam, that is NET, they can give after 30 years also. Because we have no option. Because the girls have no other option to do anything. That's why they are searching for a job. That is only the NET is the option. That's why all the girls are coming here. That is the fact. And me also came here for only that thing. No other option.
मेरे हिसाब से, बट मैम मेरे हिसाब से तो मुझे ये लगता है सब कुछ कर सकते हो आप लोग सच में, क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से मैं 2 साल से प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ. मेरे नॉलेज में बहुत सारी मैम हैं जो साथ में तैयारी कर रही थी. कुछ का निकल गया, कुछ का नहीं निकला. बट सीरियसली जितने को भी मैंने देखा सबके पास फैमिली है और सब ऐसे कर रहे हैं मतलब तैयारी. तो ये बहुत ज्यादा टफ होता है कि फैमिली भी देखो, ये भी देखो, वो भी देखो. तो वो चीजें मतलब बिलीवेबल नहीं होता. पर सच में देखिए हम लोगों के पास टाइम भी है. मेरे पास तो इनफ टाइम होता है, लेकिन
वही तो है.
फिर भी मेरा नहीं निकल रहा है.
वही
और
तो
उधर
है.
देखता
जेंट्स लोगों के पास इतना टाइम होते हैं, बस टाइम रह के कि आप लोग इतना परेशान होते हैं, और गर्ल्स लोगों के पास टाइम
नहीं,
नहीं
एक्चुअली
होता.
टाइम होने में क्या होता है, मेरे पास तो टाइम है, ठीक है, मेरे पास टाइम है, बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे, ऐसा करते 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 टाइम खत्म हो जाता है.
यही है.
टाइम नहीं होता तो काम ही करना है.
सर मन की बात बोल दिया.
Hi, sir.
ये
Hi, Ruddha sir. Actually, sir, I'm focusing for NET JRF. So I want to ask that you have you work in Oracle now. You're in startup. I hope, sir, you're working good and there. You have so many experience that what are new technologies, where the IT is going now. So I just want to do that. I want to choose some intelligence or big data or IoT. The thing is, sir, I worked in IoT for last not exactly 1 year. It's 10 months. So I have to leave that job. but sir, means there is a cons that the people who are from computer science background, especially MCA background, and the people who from ECE background, means electronics and communications background. So the IoT people, Internet of Things, because the world is going to Internet IoT field, the most people are demanding for ECE people. But sir, I want to do in research in IoT, means IoT. So, is it possible? Because last day, sir, I just talked with one of the assistant professor. He's Bengali too, so I am Bengali too. So I just had a conversation with him. He's from IISc. So there's this fact, sir. Sir, what's the disadvantage? Because I am from MCA background, but I have much knowledge about some little bit electronics, and I did project on electronics and including Python and AWS, Amazon, all. But the thing is, sir, why industry people needed EC people more than MC people? Because they are thinking कि MC people सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर में काम करना जानते हैं. उन लोग new field like IoT, AI, ML. They are asking about MTech people, otherwise they're EC people. They don't worry about MCA people. And nowadays, I don't talk about West Bengal because my study is in Bangalore. But nowadays, many of, because MCA is so lagging. पर मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि इनसे उतना भी मतलब डाउनग्रेडेड है. But they are still searching for ECE or MTech people. They are only pushing down for MC people. But
Yes, actually, from my knowledge, there might be some view of the people who think that MCA people are not good. They are came to the computer science field using some different track. So from my experience in Jadavpur University, I had the same experience that MCA people, everyone thought they are downgraded people. So better I can suggest you one thing, that there are so many people are there, around 60% people are there who think like this. We cannot change their mindset. So there is one way that you can do the MTech. If you do the MTech, then it will be very easy for you to enter the all those field. And about the IoT, because I don't have any knowledge in IoT that what the guys are do. But I know that this is a very hot topics for nowadays. Cannot suggest you for the IoT. So apart from IoT, I can tell you that big data machine, artificial intelligence has good future. AI has a very good future. So you can think about AI also, and whatever problem you told regarding that MCA degree, that is there. We cannot change this.
For MCA degree, the problem is there. We know,
Because
I am
when
also
I was in
MCA.
Jadavpur, some people are coming, they are told that postgraduate people can appear for this interview. But at that time, we are not getting chance. Some company told that they only allow the bachelor's degree. They also we are not getting chance. So when they require bachelor, then they treat us as a master. When they require masters, they treat us as a bachelors. So that is the problem. That is the problem is there. I don't know why it is.
But
You cannot escape from here.
Sumit, as I told you, ISI is a good option. Think about ISI, and in ISI there is nothing like that. You have to do the MCA or you have
We are not getting value anywhere. Don't think about that. There are some places there they will give us good value, and if you clear the JRF,
Yes,
then
Hamid
it
is
is
telling
very
good
easy.
point. Hamid is telling good point that I agree with you, sir. Same problem I faced, and here this is because lack of BTech students pass out every year. So instead of MCA, they prefer BTech. Yeah, that is the problem. Instead of MCA, they prefer BTech. बट ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत सारा ऑप्शन ऐसा भी है जो लेते हैं एमसीए को. एंड माय सर इज आल्सो टू डन द एमसीए ओनली. ही हैव नॉट फ्रॉम
For
बीटेक.
industry, I think if you have a good skill set, then they will not think that whether you are a
And why
MCA.
you are thinking for industry? Because Sumit, you are trying for JRF, you are trying for research. So forget about industry. Just try to concentrate
Everywhere, if you have the skill
for
set, then you will
PhD.
get the job. That will not be
Ma'am,
better.
ma'am, one thing, ma'am, last thing, ma'am. because some of the people I just go around with Quora, means in free time I just rather than Facebook and Instagram I just searching about Quora and all. So I just watched that there is some professors they are telling that yeah, still if you are preparing, if you publish a paper on IEEE paper or something in journal, it will be beneficial
Yes,
for you.
definitely,
So
definitely, definitely. Try to publish the paper. That is very much beneficial. Very much beneficial. And if you can publish the paper, then you will get the credit point also, because for every interview they are giving the point.
okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, thanks a lot. Yeah,
Okay.
and sad too.
Yeah, so don't be give up. There are so many options. There are so many opportunity. MCA people also get the chance. Just you have the knowledge. Just you have to clear the exam. Maybe 80% they are not giving the chance, but 20% they are also good. They are also giving the chance.
And the 20% are there are elite, because if you
हाँ,
think about ISI and Jadavpur, I know
आईएसआई
Jadavpur
जादवपुर बहुत अच्छा है ना, तो क्यों
बहुत
सोच रहे
अच्छा
हो?
है।
आईएसआई पे अगर मिल गए तो आपको देखने का कोई बात ही नहीं है। मैं नहीं जा पा रही हूँ, ये मेरा बैड लक है। दिस इज माय बैड लक कि आई एम नॉट, मुझे कोलकाता पे जाना पॉसिबल नहीं है। ये मेरा बैड लक है। बिकॉज ऑफ हिम आई एम स्टेइंग हियर। तो
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
तो हो कोलकाता पे, तो ऐसा मत सोचो।
हाँ, ma'am. Yeah.
एंड ये कभी भी बोल सकते हो, अगर आप एलिजिबल हो, आपका ये है, तो डेफिनेटली आई एम ट्राइंग टू अरेंज अ सेशन विद माय सर. So that is
Okay,
my
ma'am.
target. Ki I will call my sir here, so he will come and he will guide you all. So I'll
Yes,
try.
ma'am. That will be wonderful for us.
I'm trying for that. I'm trying
Yeah,
for that.
you can, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I think more any question? It's already 6 p.m. Any question or anyone? Any question? Because we have to end the session now. Any question?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so that's why definitely just try for both plan A, plan B, दोनों ही रखो आप लोग। कंप्यूटर साइंस का स्टूडेंट हो तो if you have interest in industry, then for industry also try it, and both you can do
मैम
simultaneously.
मैम वन क्वेश्चन।
Hmm.
मैम सपोज अभी तक मैंने कोई इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया है, ना कुछ मतलब जॉब किया है, वैसे सिंपली यहीं पे घर पे किया है 1 साल टीचिंग। तो मैम आउट लाइक प्रोफाइल का भी एक है, जैसे बहुत छोटा क्वेश्चन है लेकिन मेरे लिए बड़ा है फिलहाल। मैम प्रोफाइल कैसे बनाएं?
प्रोफाइल ऐसे बनाओ कि आपका जहाँ पे स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है। मैंने प्रोफाइल कैसे बनाया पता है? मेरा अनअकैडमी पे देखो, लिखा है 15 years of experience in computer science learning. I am learning computer science from last 15 years, but I have no teaching experience. So in that way you can change your profile. So I have changed my profile in that way. Ki I have no the experience. I have not at all experience in teaching. That's why I told them ki I am learning computer science from last 15 years. So that 15 years is very valuable, right? So that's why you can change it. So you can change it. So you can change it. Why you can't? Try to change
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
try to make it that you can do. And another point was there in my profile that I like a teaching. I told them that I was a team leader. I was a manager. So for team leader, when I was a team leader in my company, then I was also trainer. So I trained them. So I am a teacher also. That's why that is my teaching profile. And also I am a good communicator. I got some prizes. I got some achievement for as a good speaker. So I saw that I'm a good speaker, so I can speak. So that's it. In that way you can change your profile. Why you are thinking you have no knowledge? You can every time just try to
think
do
about what is
smart
your
way.
strong points.
Try to do the smart way.
Try
Okay.
to focus on your
Okay.
strength. What are your strength? Just showcase all those things into their profile.
सर असल बात ये है ना कि सभी चीजों की मुझे बेसिक्स ही आती हैं। सबसे बड़ा
अरे
मेरा
ऐसा
प्रॉब्लम
आप
यही है।
सोच रहे हो, ऐसा आप सोच रहे हो,
अरे
मुझे भी बेसिक ही
यहाँ पे
आते
बहुत
हैं।
सारे लोग हैं ना जिसके पास बेसिक्स भी नहीं आते हैं।
हाँ, यही है। मुझे
नहीं,
भी
मुझे
सर
सर बेसिक्स
बेसिक्स
आती
ही
हैं
आते
थोड़े।
हैं, मुझे भी बहुत कुछ ज्यादा नहीं आते, कभी
क्योंकि
मत
बहुत सारा
सोचो।
लोग है जिसके पास बेसिक ही क्लियर नहीं है, उसको बेसिक चीज नहीं आता है। मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों को है जिसको पास क्लियर नॉलेज नहीं है व्हाट इज कॉल बाय वैल्यू एंड कॉल बाय रेफरेंस।
हाँ, बेसिक बेसिक इज नॉट ए बेसिक। आप जिसको
वेरी
बेसिक
गुड
सोच रहे
नॉलेज
हो
बेसिक
वो बहुत लोगों
गुड
के पास
एनफ।
नहीं है। ऐसा सोचो कि वो बहुत लोगों के पास नहीं है। खुद को कभी भी डिमोटिवेट मत करो, खुद को कभी भी मत सोचो कि मुझे नहीं आता है। जो आपको आता है उसी को स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट बनाओ और वो स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट लेकर ही आप चलो, हो जाएगा। ऐसा
ओके
डिमोटिवेट मत हो जाएगा। जस्ट ट्राई करो।
ओके
आप आज से ट्राई करना स्टार्ट करो, हर एक जगह पे अप्लाई करो, ट्राई करो, कहीं ना कहीं पे मिल
ओके
जाएगा। ठीक है।
ओके मैम, ओके ओके मैम,
You
थैंक यू
don't have knowledge. Always think
यस
that I have knowledge,
हाँ
I have to
Yes.
gather some more, and there are so many people are there, they don't have any knowledge.
Yes. Don't that think like that. Everything you can do. Yes, there are 6 people. So thanks a lot to joining the session. Hopefully some help will be there. So I'm ending it now. And
Yes, ma'am.
and
Thanks, ma'am.
as
Thanks, ma'am.
some students are request that to record this session, that's why I record this session, and I will try to edit something, and I will try to upload it in YouTube. So have you any problem if I upload it in YouTube? Anyone have any problem? Anyone have
Ma'am.
any
No
problem?
problem. No problem.
Definitely this is a long, but I will edit something and I will try to upload the small video. No
Yeah,
problem,
okay.
right?
No problem.
Okay. Okay. So I am ending this session. Thank you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you. Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.